In this tutorial series, I will be teaching you how to use Blender 3D to create 3D models. Blender is a brilliant and free software tool which allows us to create 3D models as well as animate and render objects. Before we begin, make sure you have Blender 3D installed. You can do that by heading over to Blender's website. You can either download Blender's current version, Blender 2.83, or you can come down here and download the latest experimental version of Blender, which is Blender 2.9. I will be using Blender 2.9 for the beginner tutorial series as there is very little difference between both versions, which should not affect anything that is taught in this series. It is also advised that you have a mouse with a middle mouse wheel, as we will be referencing that a lot in these videos. These tutorials will also be based on a Windows operating system, Windows 10 specifically, but you can still follow along on Mac or Linux operating systems. So with that said, let's get started.